In this video, I'm going to show you how to lose out your carburetor if it's having a leakage problem or overfloating problem. Let's go. So the first thing you do is to lose out the carburetor air filter. This is the air filter, carburetor air filter board. You lose it out first. Just watch how it's going to be loose out. It's a gradual process. Watch carefully. So you bring out your 10 spanner, lose out the 10 knot. Now the dashboard has been removed. The air filter board has been removed. That is the air filter board has been removed. Now you can pull out the carburetor, but before then, try removing the returning spring. What I'm removing now is called returning spring. You get? So once the returning spring is out, you pull out the carburetor. This is the carburetor. So many of us are having this problem when our carburetor is having overflow or leakage. So if you want to service the carburetor fully, the video you are watching now will give you the in and out of you servicing the carburetor, and also coupling it back. You losing it out and coupling it back the same way you lose it. This video is going to show you. As you can see, the component that make up the carburetor has been loose because we want to do a thorough servicing of the carburetor. This is the floaty pin that has been removed from the floaty ball. The floaty ball is the one that holds the floaty pin is the one that holds down the floaty ball, which has been loose already. What we are losing right now is called the fuel jetter. The fuel jetter has been loose. That is the jet that carry up the fuel to the carburetor himself, for the carburetor to able to give you a proper engine start. So as you can see, this is the servicing process. What we are doing now is to make sure every dirt that is stick to every nozzle in the carburetor is pumped out, is filtered out. That is the process of using that fuel to pump out every nozzle. As you can see, the washing of those nozzles and the component has been done. It is time for coupling them, for coupling this component that make up the carburetor. Yes, this is the floaty ball. Make sure you place it very well so that you don't have error in trying to start your generator. If you don't place it well, it can also cause overflow, and also it will also cause the generator not to be able to start. So make sure you watch this video to the end to see how this thing is being done. This is a live practical you are watching now. Alright, so as you can see, all the component has been coupled inside the carburetor. I hope you find this video helpful, and please do not forget to like, share, comment and follow my page for more. Now the carburetor is being fixed. Make sure as you are fixing the carburetor, you place in where the returning spring are coming from in the carburetor as well. This is very important. Do not forget to place in this returning spring from where they are removed from. You get? Now you put on your shock. This is the shock, the returning shock. You see, it has been placed. This is the air filter board. Make sure you clean it up for proper maintenance, after which you place it the same way you lose it. Don't forget to place it properly, because if you don't place it properly, your shock will not return. You make sure you place that air filter board very well. as you can see. Yes, the air filter board has been coupled already, and this is the foam. Yes, as you can see, the carburetor has been fully what coupled. Please, if you find this video helpful,